even better than the way you did the night before. And the moment that you kiss my lips, you know I start to feel wonderful. It's something incredible, the sex in your chemicals. Oh, ooh, let's go. You're the best way I know to escape the extraordinary. This world ain't for you, and I know, but damn sure this world ain't for me. Lift off and say goodbye. Just let your fire set me free. Oh, moonshine, take us to the stars tonight. Take us to that special place, that place we went the last time, the last time. I know I was with you last night, but it feels like it's been so long. And everybody that's around me knows that I'm not myself when you're gone. It's good to see you again. Good to see you again. All over the world is where I stand when you're back in my life. Life's not so bad when you're way up this high. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Oh, moonshine, take us to the stars tonight. Take us to that special place, that place we went the last time, the last time. Oh, moonshine, your love that makes me come alive. Take us to that special place.